The project in this time is to uninstall two of these mini split air conditioners. They are 18,000 BTU each one, and the customer called us and said that one of these air conditioners wasn't cooling, wasn't doing nothing. It turned on, but it wasn't doing nothing. So is this one, and that's the other one. So this one has a leak, and we inspected. After we inspected, we need to remove it, uninstall it. So he's gonna put it away somewhere. And the reason why he's uninstalling these two is because he's gonna install a bigger one, 5-ton unit, 60,000 BTU. This is the one that had a leak or has a leak. Obviously, we cannot recover any refrigerant because of the leak, but for the other one, the way that we recover it is we just leave it in the system. There you go. The other one, it's uninstalled already. You saw it in the beginning of the video. So I gotta take the wall bracket for the inside and the outside unit. These mini splits where the outside unit was installed in the crawl space, in a crawl space under the building, under the house. So here I'm removing the condenser unit, and then I'm gonna remove the wall bracket and the line set. There you go. Now these are the line set, the copper pipes, all the cables and all that. There you go.